Hello everyone, and welcome back to our Practice Speaking English series. Today's topic is at the hospital, talking to a nurse, and getting tests. In this lesson, you'll learn how to describe your condition, ask for help, and understand common hospital questions. All in simple, natural English. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with your friends who are also learning English. And make sure to comment below. Tell us how you would describe your symptoms if you visited a hospital. Now, let's join Emma, the nurse, and Ryan, the patient, as they go through a real hospital visit. Good morning, sir. How can I help you today?
Good morning. I'm not feeling well and need to see a doctor.
I see. What kind of problem are you having?
I've had a strong headache and dizziness since last night.
All right. Do you also feel nauseous or have any fever?
Yes, I felt slightly feverish this morning.
Okay. Please fill out this patient form first.
Sure, here you go. I've completed it.
Thank you. Do you have your ID card and health insurance?
Yes, here they are.
Great. Please take a seat for a moment while I register you.
Thank you.
All right, Mr. Ryan. You're registered now. The doctor will see you soon.
Okay, how long is the wait?
About 10 to 15 minutes.
No problem. I'll wait here.
Would you like a glass of water while you wait?
That would be nice. Thank you.
Here you go. Please drink slowly.
Thanks. I feel a bit better already.
That's good. Do you have any allergies to medicine?
No, none that I know of.
All right. Are you taking any medication currently?
Only vitamin tablets.
Okay. The doctor might order a few basic tests for you today.
Sure, that's fine.
You'll probably need a blood test and maybe a blood pressure check.
All right. I've never had a blood test before.
Don't worry. It's quick and not painful.
That's a relief.
The doctor will examine you first, and then decide which tests to run.
Got it?
How long have you been feeling unwell?
Since yesterday afternoon.
Did you eat anything unusual before that?
Not really, just my usual lunch.
Have you been under a lot of stress lately?
Yes, work has been pretty busy.
That can sometimes cause headaches too.
True, I've been sleeping late this week.
You should try to rest more. Sleep helps recovery.
I know, I'll make sure to rest.
Okay, Mr. Ryan, the doctor is ready to see you now.
Great, thank you so much.
You can go into room 3. It's just down the hall.
Got it, thanks.
How was your consultation with the doctor?
It went well. She wants me to do a few tests.
All right. Which tests did she order?
A blood test, urine test, and blood pressure check.
Perfect. Let's start with the blood pressure first.
Okay.
Please sit here and relax your arm on the table.
All right.
I'll wrap the cuff around your arm. It may feel tight for a few seconds.
No problem.
Here we go. Inhale, exhale, and relax.
Okay.
All done. Your blood pressure looks normal.
That's good to hear.
Next, we'll take a small blood sample.
All right.
Please roll up your sleeve. I'll clean your arm first.
Okay, go ahead.
You might feel a tiny pinch. Ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Done. That was quick, right?
Yes, I barely felt it.
Great. I'll label your sample for the lab.
How long will the results take?
Around 1 hour for basic results.
That's fast.
In the meantime, please go to the lab counter for your urine test.
All right. Where is it?
Down the hallway to your left. The sign says laboratory.
Got it. Thank you.
Take this container and follow the instructions there.
Okay, I'll be right back.
All done with your urine test?
Yes, I just handed it to the lab staff.
Perfect. Now we'll just wait for the reports.
Great. Thank you for helping me.
You're welcome. Would you like to sit in the waiting area again?
Sure.
Here's your receipt and test number.
Okay, thanks.
You'll hear your number on the speaker when results are ready.
Understood.
Are you feeling okay while waiting?
Yes, just a little tired.
Would you like some water or juice?
Water would be nice.
Here you go. Please stay hydrated.
Thanks a lot.
The lab usually finishes faster in the morning.
That's good. I came early.
Smart move. Less crowd this time of day.
I noticed that too.
How's your headache now?
It's lighter than before.
That's great. Maybe the rest helped.
Probably.
Okay. Your test results should be ready soon.
Perfect.
I'll go check if they're back. Please wait here.
Sure. Take your time.
Good news, Mr. Ryan. The reports are ready.
That was quick.
Yes, the lab was fast today.
Can I see the results?
Of course. Everything looks mostly normal.
That's a relief.
Your blood pressure and sugar levels are fine.
Great.
The doctor will still review these before giving you final advice.
Understood.
Please take these reports back to room 3.
Okay, I'll go now.
How did your follow-up go?
The doctor said it's just stress and dehydration.
That's good news. Nothing serious.
Yes, I feel much better now.
Did she prescribe any medication?
Just vitamins and a mild pain reliever.
That should help you recover soon.
I hope so.
Remember to rest and drink plenty of water.
Yes, I'll do that.
Would you like to pay your bill now?
Sure, where do I go?
The billing counter is next to the pharmacy.
Got it?
Here's your hospital ID card back.
Thanks for reminding me.
You'll also need to collect your prescription there.
Okay, I'll do that after payment.
The pharmacist will explain how to take your medicine.
Perfect.
Did you drive here or take a cab?
I took a cab.
Good idea. You shouldn't drive when feeling dizzy.
True, better safe than sorry.
After this, go straight home and rest.
I plan to.
Don't skip your meals, okay?
I won't, promise.
Good. A light meal will help you regain energy.
I'll probably eat soup later.
Excellent choice.
Thanks.
Would you like me to book a follow-up appointment for you?
Yes, that would be helpful.
How about next Monday morning?
That works perfectly.
Great. I've scheduled it for 10 a.m.
Thank you.
Do you need a medical certificate for work?
Oh yes, please.
I'll print it out for you right now.
Thanks so much.
Here you go. Valid for 3 days rest.
Perfect. That's exactly what I needed.
Please keep this document safe.
I will.
Anything else I can help you with?
No, that's all for today.
All right. Hope you feel better soon.
Thank you, Emma.
You're welcome. Remember to take your medicine on time.
I will, don't worry.
And no skipping meals or late nights.
Got it?
That's good. Health first, always.
Absolutely.
The doctor also said to check your blood pressure again next week.
Okay, I'll come back for that.
Great. It's a simple quick check.
Perfect.
Do you need me to call a cab for you?
That would be kind, yes.
All right, I've booked one for you. It'll arrive in 5 minutes.
You're amazing. Thank you.
It's my job to take care of patients.
And you do it really well.
That's sweet of you to say.
I mean it.
All right, Mr. Ryan. Here's your receipt and reports.
Got them. Thank you.
Don't lose these papers. You'll need them for follow-up.
I'll keep them safe.
Your cab should be waiting outside now.
Perfect timing.
Take care and have a good rest at home.
Thank you for everything, Emma.
Anytime. Get well soon, Ryan.
I will.
Bye. And remember to take care of your health.
Bye. And thanks again.
And to everyone watching, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video to keep practicing your English.
And stay healthy, everyone.